Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and I'm just doing this little tutorial at the moment just to show you what it looks like when we find an area which would be used for level 1 driving activities. So this is an area where you'd have people learning to drive who weren't able to go on the road environment, and they need somewhere really quiet and safe. This area out here behind me is one that I would utilize. I'd come into this quiet car park, mind my own business, not create any dramas or anything. If anyone did come in to play sport or ride bikes or anything around there, then we would respectfully go somewhere safe until they cleared. But if we came into this area, we would basically be working on our cabin drill. So door, seat, steering, seat belt, mirrors and blind spots. We'd go through our console controls, our dash controls. We would also go through our gears, our pedals, ABC if it's a manual, or accelerator, brake and clutch. And what we'd also do is work on our move off and stop activities in a manual. So we're talking clutch control, we're talking friction point, we're talking a little bit of accelerator as well, braking techniques, and we would also work on stopping, so brake and clutch, secure with the handbrake. We would also work on some steering activities, so we're talking pull push or hand over hand steering. You could just drive up and down and around, or you could also do some figure eights as well. Once you've done those activities, I also like to do move forward and stop, move forward and stop, move forward and stop in a straight line, then put it into reverse. Get the driver to look over the left shoulder, which is an expectation in Queensland for the Q-Safe test, and get them going backwards as well. They don't necessarily have to worry about a curb or hitting a curb in an area like this, so these can be quite good training areas. So again, level 1 training areas are great for students who aren't ready for the road environment. This has been Brendan for Watto Training. Feel free to leave your comments, and we'll look forward to more training adventures with you in the near future.